Let's be honest, you're probably hiring for DevSecOps all wrong. Resumes covered in certifications, big name company on the resume. You think you found your person. A few months later, pipeline still slow, security posture hasn't improved, teams more divided than ever. You hired a box checker, not a culture shifter. This guide gives clear, practical steps to find someone who can build secure, efficient systems. By the end, you'll hire a true partner. So, what does a top-tier DevSecOps consultant actually do all day? It's more than just running scans and writing reports. Think of them as the architect and the diplomat of your software delivery pipeline. Their primary mission is to integrate security seamlessly into every stage of the DevOps lifecycle, first line of code to final deployment and beyond. They configure tools that scan code as it's written, secure the containers your applications run in, and build automated security tests into CI/CD. They adopt security as code so policies are enforced automatically. They teach developers, explain risk to execs, and champion shared responsibility. The result? Faster, safer, more reliable delivery. They're a strategic partner who future-proofs your business. When you're looking at a candidate's profile, it's easy to get lost in acronyms and buzzwords. Let's cut through the noise. Must have deep CI/CD pipeline automation expertise. Familiar with Jenkins, GitLab CI, or Azure DevOps and integrating security tools. Must have strong scripting, Python, Bash to automate security. Must have cloud and container security, AWS, Azure, GCP, Docker, Kubernetes. Must have core security principles, OWASP, threat modeling, vulnerability management. They must run and interpret SAST, DAST, and SCA tools. Nice to haves elevate a candidate, but they're not deal breakers. Experience with Terraform, Ansible, cloud certs, chaos engineering, or compliance automation is valuable. These are the cherries on top, not the cake itself. A resume tells you what someone has done. A great interview tells you how they think. Move beyond generic questions and dive into scenarios. Ask, walk me step by step. How would you secure a new microservice using an open source library without slowing releases? A weak answer is vague, run a scan. A strong answer, integrate SCA into CI, check licenses, and build a lightweight threat model. They'll describe collaborating with devs and framing risk in business terms. Ask, tell me about a time you convinced a team to prioritize a low-priority security fix. Probe situation, actions you took, and the result. Red flag, they escalate or force compliance. They act like an enforcer. Green flag, they show empathy, persuasion, and offer to pair program to fix issues. This is the person who builds a security culture. Where do you find these candidates? Go where passive talent is. LinkedIn is top. Also my niche communities, DevOps Slack channels, and local meetups or conferences. Use a structured interview scorecard. Rate CI/CD automation, cloud security, and collaboration. Give a practical take-home, a vulnerable Docker app. Ask them to find flaws and propose remediation. Keep it fair. Structured scoring reduces bias and helps compliance. Don't ask about age, family, nationality. Ask job-focused alternatives instead. Instead of, are you a good culture fit? Ask, describe the work environment where you're most productive. Ask, tell me about a project you were passionate about. Don't rush. Vet candidates, involve the team, and always check references. Don't over-index on pedigree. Value demonstrated skills and collaboration. If you're hiring now, subscribe and check peopleteam.com hiring. Your next DevSecOps partner is waiting.